What up, criminal YouTube? It's your boy the official, and we are back with another video. Today we're doing another POV drive, and we're not alone in today's video. We're with my dad. You get me? So yeah, we're gonna start off a bit tame today, and this is gonna be like part 2 to a video we shot earlier, and yeah. I'm not sure how long these videos are all going to be. So with that being said, boy, let's get into this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and comment what else you'd like to see on the channel. This thing is nice, yo. Yo. Yeah. You've never? The gents I was with today said we mustn't change the exhaust on the car. If we're changing it, we must change the whole thing instead of cutting and joining.
Sure, you can get it on team.
On team was going to be like the sections, not because I was looking at the stainless steel. At most places where I saw it was like expensive. So it's either we work with someone to make the full exhaust, or it's either we do that or we just keep it the same.
I don't think it's a big even if it's the same. Because it sounds nice and compact.
Yeah. It doesn't eat too much, this thing. Yeah.
This thing is powerful, isn't it?
Nah. You must see. You remember that day when we serviced it? Yeah. That's when the power was there. Increased like fresh oil. Yo, then The real Schumacher here.
Huh?
The real Schumacher here. So far out of 10?
It's good.
Imagine now if we get a bigger machine.
This is what I'm scared of.
Yeah. Because even Mami was saying the same thing earlier on.
Because now they throw a ball, they wanna go get it.
Eish. It's also the eyes. Eish.
Yeah?
Sometimes when I record, I'm like, let me just, I must relax. I mustn't come out too often because now, hey, everybody's looking. It's like, is this guy recording or what? So it's like, hey, it's a new experience as well. Fancy the people here. I must get a tire sponsor now, you see.
Yeah.
Even if it's like discount, but
Yeah.
please for like backup. There's some dollar here. He knows me too well. This one, yeah. I think this is his car. Even last time, I remember when the tire popped, it was here. Then when that thing came out, it was the one to tell me. Then when I came back, I think it was either the next day or the following week. It's like, you're back again, you. So it was like, yo. That guy drank. And it's early, yo.
That one's from yesterday.
But it is annoying, this thing. It's not even the full power. Feels like it's restricted, so it's like it's restricted. It's not. I'm telling you. Normally, like when I do the videos, you see that more. Not even sure how long the video is.
So you're able to edit that noise.
What? Which one? That? It's just that it's going to be in the video.
Yeah?
It's going to be in the video. It doesn't really bother me. So out of 10?
Out of 10, I'll give you an 8. 'Cause yeah, no. I'm worried.
You worried?
I'm worried about the tires.
The tires are nice. They're still fine. Still have tread.
Yeah, no, but you've got a hold of it.
So you approve?
Partially. Partially. Not fully. Partially.